guys. It's been such a long time since I've been on this camera. Man, I say, listen, those of you who've been around, I'll explain to you guys where I went after the bachelor party and stuff like that. Those of you who are new to the channel, which is a few hundred of you that are definitely new to the channel if you guys are watching this video. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully this year we'll have a better year and we're going to be having a good ass, this year's about having a good ass time. That's literally what this year's about, so that's going to be what we're trying to, oh come on, I got to get over, thank you. Okay. Hit the gas pedal, pedal to the metal, alright. So, yeah, so those of you who've been around, I'm going to explain to you guys what happened and where did I go after the bachelor party, basically, which is, I went to Florida for Tampa to see the Buccaneers game, which, well, it was actually Patriots versus Buccaneers. My friend's getting married, he's a Patriots fan, so they're Patriots versus Buccaneers, so we went to Tampa. We played golf. I broke a $500 golf head driver. $500. They didn't pay for it, thankfully, though. I just broke the shaft. They said we can get reshafted. I'm like, perfect. Okay. I did not even do anything to break it. I literally hit the ball and the head flew off. No idea. No idea what caused it. No idea. Brand new set too. Brand new set. I didn't hit the ground hard at all. I've skimmed the ground. I think everyone has hit the ground with the drivers that entire day. But for whatever reason, I broke the driver head. No idea. I did whatever it is. But yeah, we did that. We went out to eat a few times. We played at the casino. I won $200 at the casino. So, you know, we had a good weekend. Very good weekend, you know, until I got back from the trip. When I got back from the trip, basically, I got a text from my girlfriend saying, Sean, we need to talk, something. I don't remember what the fucking the text even was. And listen, we don't use our first names in text. Not in text. Like, in person, I say Lexi, this, that. Or, you know, whatever it is. So, as soon as I saw the first name was that, I was like, oh, this isn't good. What just happened? Now, when I was away at the thing, it was her birthday weekend, blah, blah. So, she was out with her cousin and stuff like that, with her family, and then also with his friends and stuff. So, whatever it is, what it is. But, so I get a text out of that, I'm like, alright, well. And then she just didn't want to break, so let's say break up, whatever. You know, she said break in the text, but let's say break up. We want to break up, you know, Which, you know, a year ago I wanted to break, which is really just a breakup. But whatever it is, at the time of the beginning, I was like, no, the relationship's more important at the time when I was deciding. I decided the relationship's probably more important than whatever my feelings were at the time. So whatever it is, so she did that at me a little bit. I was like, and, you know, at this point. I was on 3 days of no sleep too, so keep that in mind. I was on 3 days no sleep. I got the text message, you know, I finally got maybe 30 minutes of sleep before I had to go work. So my brain's a little like, what the hell is happening? So yeah, whatever, you know, whatever that night thing goes on. I go talk to her later that night, and then we talk, you know, we broke up, and then, you know, then after that, it was like the week and a half, which I have a lot of reasons of why I had my feelings that popped out. Because, I don't know, a lot of things, whatever it was. But in the end, she basically said she had feelings for someone else. And I was like, well, alright, well, kind of in the moment, I fought for it. And then after the last talk, it was kind of like, alright, well, at that point, I don't want to be, at that point, then it was actually, I think the week after that, it was kind of silly. At that point, it was like kind of like you're degrading your breakup, like you're mentally state. Like, yeah. And then there was a point where it was just kind of like, you know, I watched it happen. I was like, and a lot of things clicked in my head for the past like 3 months from July, like from start from July at least, and then I think a few months back from there where I realized certain things, and all those things clicked in my head, and I was like, and I was like, yeah, nah, I'm good. And then I basically, yeah, at that point, we were together for 8.5 years, but that's what it is. So, so that's what it is. Now I'm just living my life. Now I've just been going out with friends. I've been living my life that I couldn't really live because I was kind of like always hellbound or whatever it is. So I live the life I want now. And actually, just a lot of my one friend, he looked at me and goes, dude, you look honestly like freaking better. You look so much better now. I'm like, I was like, honestly, just feel freer now. That's kind of like that one last. So long story short, my freaking life is like, you know, just all these past few years, I've just been breaking my just like certain chains on me, and then basically she was kind of like that one last chain that was holding me down on certain things. And GoPros at the same exact time because my brain went to a wish-wash mode for like a week. The 1 week. After the 1 week, like I said, week and a few days, I'll say, it kind of like, does that last talk really kind of like cut my feelings out 25 to 30% out? And then after that, it was just kind of like, all right, then it just kind of escalated. It was slow and then just dropped. But yeah, so where was it? Yeah, but I don't know how I was supposed to go on. I don't know what topic I was supposed to go off on, but yeah, so yeah, the GoPros, stuff like that. So I couldn't record. I finally bought this camera, and I got one other camera now. So we're getting back into vlogging. But the difference we do on the channel now is we're gonna be doing vlogs. I think I want to do vlogs. I still want to do car stuff. I think also at one point I'm gonna start just doing some stupid thing every single day. Every day I just need to do something that's not stupid, but just like, just do something that's fun, crazy, or something of that nature. Just every day, just one thing. Video one thing crazy per day. I don't know what the crazy thing would be per day, but we're gonna figure it out and figure out how to do it because I gotta come up with a few ideas. I was just starting the new year, and I'm like, oh shit, I'm like, I don't have ideas though. I'm like, all right, I gotta get some brainstorming with my friends and stuff. Like, hey, what can I do? What can we do? What can I freaking do every single day? Which I got one thing I'm gonna start it off with, and then yeah, so we're going with that. So then other than that, we're gonna do vlogs. We're gonna do fun like traveling vlog stuff. You know, going around, I don't know, we're just gonna go travel to places, go to car shows, go to different car meets maybe when it gets warmer out. Right now I see it's freaking winter time, so we got really nothing in Jersey. So we might try to find some stupid acts to do, like freaking sled pulling, this, that, or, you know, I don't really know. Big giant bonfire, off-roading, going off onto the ice on the truck. I don't know. But we're gonna find some crazy things to do. Some fun and crazy things to do. I don't know. I got my life now. But yeah, so that's kind of like an update on for you guys. You know, it's kind of like, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little explanation of where I was at and when I went down pretty much. And you know, last month was kind of like, I lost the GoPro. I was like, all right, well, you know what? I think I'm gonna stay this month and just kind of have fun. So you know, I went out with my friends every weekend, this, that. You know, I kind of just live my own life for once. You know, live my life for myself for once because I really haven't lived my life for myself for a very long time. I don't think I've ever lived my life for myself, but I'm starting to do that now. So, guys have a nice, good watch though. Got a nice, cool watch. Courtesies of my good best friend. I say, no. So he sold me the watch. So got a nice watch now. And then also we're going back to Tampa at the end of January too. So we're gonna have hopefully some cool footage at the end of the month for Tampa and stuff. Because I plan on, like I said, doing something crazy every single day. So we need to figure out some crazy shit to do every single day, and that's also included in the crazy shit every single day shit. So yeah. So I'm gonna stop boring you guys with talking because I could probably sit here for hours talk to you guys, but we're gonna just cut it off so we're not what do you call it, boring you guys just talk. So that's why I've been gone. Said my piece. So now next video we're just gonna get back into life and we're gonna get back to just work on everything and also just have fun vlogging and. I don't know how the vlogs are going to be. I don't know if it's going to be daily vlogging kind of thing style or it's going to be more of like we're doing something fun, we just vlog the whole day with the friends or, you know, what it is. So, see how it goes, see what happens. And I think I got a vlog on this camera already, actually. I did it with my one friend. So, see how it goes. Other than that, guys, listen, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm just also, my voice is a little raspy because I lost it a little bit. So, yeah. So, if that sounds a little off, that's why. But, other than that, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes to follow dreams. Don't let anyone get in your way. Stay a maverick. I'll see you guys next one.